Well, good morning. We're in another train room this morning. We're in the N-scale room. You can see that it's got 3 tracks on a L-shaped table going around, and on these 3 tracks are 3 trains. Now, we don't have this particular setup all finished yet with the little buildings and stuff. We do have a school bus sitting over there. And but here are the trains. We've got a Santa Fe Broadway Limited. This is N scale. These are small. And this is a DCC N scale. And here's a Cotto steamer, and it's pulling some freight cars. And over here is a little German-made locomotive, and it's pulling some cute little passenger cars that Vicky got off eBay. So we're going to start these up, and let me turn the switch on down here. And the first thing we'll do is we'll start up this Broadway Limited. You can see it setting there, and you're gonna hear it start up here in a minute. It's got a nice diesel engine sound, so we're going to start it up. You hear the engine going. They're starting to move a little bit. So we'll go ahead and move it around the track a little bit. Don't have any passenger cars on it right now, but I have those. I just haven't put them on. This is a smooth running little train. It's a Broadway Limited, which is probably, for our purposes, a pretty high-end train. We really like it. It's smooth. It just runs good. Has a nice whistle. You hear the whistle blowing, and it's got a bell. So we're going to let it run around a little bit. Just let it do its thing. And we'll start up this little Cotto here. There's the Cotto steamer going around the track. See it just going, little steamer, little wheels just going like crazy. Now we'll start the little German-made locomotive and let it move around the track too. Now we've got all 3 of them running. Watch the curve over here and see the little German train come through, pulling its 3 little passenger cars over the bridge, around the curve. Here comes the Cotto coming around. Now the Cotto and the German train, they're DC, so they don't have any sound. They just run good. And but the Broadway Limited, the Santa Fe Streamliner, the Super Chief, it's got sound and lights and bell and all kinds of things you can do with it. Just 3 neat little trains in the train room in the N scale, and just wanted you to have a look at these.